Well, lots going on in the weather world over the next few days, but did you see the northern lights last night? Ashley Fuggle did. There is a chance you could glimpse them tonight, but I have to say there will be quite a lot of cloud on the scene, and that will certainly be the case through the next few days and nights as well. Lots of cloud, wet and windy weather of course coming our way on Friday, and thereafter signs of something a little bit chillier. And this is how things will unfold over the next few days. So low pressure centred out towards the southwest pushes that weather front across us on Friday, and then as we head into the weekend we start to tap into these blue colours, this much colder air to the north, and that will slowly start to sink its way southwards. So lots happening over the coming days. But for now it's looking pretty quiet. A fair bit of cloud through this evening and tonight, thick enough to give some further outbreaks of rain, but wherever you are it's going to be another exceptionally mild one. Southerly winds keeping temperatures for many of us up into the low teens. Tomorrow morning then, any early cloud and rain will soon clear away eastwards. Thereafter, pretty quiet day, a lot of dry weather, some bright or even sunny spells coming through, and with winds easing further, not feeling too bad at all in that sunshine. Highs tomorrow peaking at around 15 or 16 Celsius. If you're headed to the coast, these are the times of high water. Ventnor there around 5:30 in the morning and again 6 o'clock in the evening. So a pretty quiet day on the whole tomorrow, but then eyes turn to the south as we start to see this weather front pushing its way northwards overnight into Friday. That is likely to become pretty slow moving on Friday itself. Some significant accumulations of rain possible, a weather warning coming into force, and we will of course keep you updated as it unfolds. Lots going on with the weather over the coming days then, but did you actually manage to see the northern lights last night? Well, Ashley Fuggle did. There could be a small chance of seeing them again tonight, but I think on the whole quite a bit of cloud on the scene. And we carry lots of cloud through the next few days. Then of course that wet and windy weather comes our way on Friday before a return to something somewhat chillier thereafter. And this is how things will unfold over the coming days. Low pressure centres itself to the southwest, pushing that weather front northwards on Friday, so some heavy rain likely, and thereafter through the course of the weekend we start to tap into these blue colours, this colder air to the north, that will start to sink its way southwards. So lots going on, but for now things look pretty quiet. Overnight tonight a good deal of dry weather initially, cloud then thickens towards dawn, so some outbreaks of rain eventually coming our way, but another exceptionally mild night for the time of year, with some of us staying in the low teens. Tomorrow morning then, a mild start, yes, but quite cloudy, outbreaks of rain initially. That all then clears away eastwards, and thereafter we're in for a pretty promising afternoon. Generally dry, brighter sunny spells coming and going, winds easing down further, so in the best of the brightness, really not feeling too bad at all, with highs around 15 or 16 degrees Celsius. If you're heading to the coast, these are the times of high water. You can see Sheerness there around about 6 o'clock in the morning and just after 7 in the evening. So a pretty quiet end to the day tomorrow, but then eyes turn to the south where we'll start to see that band of rain working its way northwards, becoming quite slow moving into Friday. Some significant accumulations possible and a weather warning coming into force.